Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can perform the hard reset of your TCL earbuds. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to unpair them from any device. So in this case I just get rid of them from my iPhone. Next we have to put them to the case, then open this case and take them out of it. Right now we have to hold them like that, and we have to use this touch control panels. It's below these indicators, and we have to tap together 4 times. So take a look. 1, 2 and 3. Looks like it's not working, so we have to repeat. Okay, one more time, because only the right one is blinking right now. We have to get this solid blue light on the both indicators. So one more time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, as you can see right now, they blinks together on the blue and also on the white, and also they disappear from available devices list. After a few moments they are in the pairing mode, and that's how you can perform the hard reset of your TCL MoveAudio S180 earbuds. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.